So I'm here at the Keith McMillan booth with Todd. He's going to take us through the new K-Mix.
Hi. So what we've got here is K-Mix from Keith McMillan Instruments. This is our professional audio interface and programmable standalone mixer and control surface. So what you get with this guy here is 8 inputs, 8 outputs. It's USB powered. You get 48 volt phantom power on the 2 preamps here, which are actually Keith's own design, the MuPre. It's a brand new preamp that he spent the last 6 months developing. Very low noise, 60 decibels of gain. You also get, on the 8 outputs, full control of pan, so you can do surround mixing on this device. It's going to be iOS compatible as well, so you can run it with iPads. So what we've got here is a basic setup with our 8 faders across. It's touch sensitive. These are brand new faders that Keith just developed. And like I was saying before, on each channel, you've got auxes, so you can send out up to 8 channels for the auxes. You also have, if you go into our panning mode, like I was saying, full surround pan. So depending on how you want it set up, all the way around. And that's up to 8-point output. There's also built-in DSP on this. So you've got compression on every channel. You also have an EQ and a gate, and you've got reverb on every channel. You can run that also on the main if you just want to have it as an overall. The other cool thing about the inputs is they are RIAA certified, so you can plug in turntables directly, and the device is going to know that you're running a phono input and adjust for you automatically. So not only is there compression, but you got, like I said, individual reverbs. So if we go into the reverb setting here, you can see the channel send levels, the reverb parameters, so damping, diffusion, and decay time, basic stuff. Just like the rest of the equipment that we make, it's very rugged. So you don't have to worry about spilling a liquid on it. You can wipe it off and keep going. The rest of our gear you can literally run over with a car. I wouldn't do that with this, but you can get pretty close. So
with the DSP effects, do they
Yes.
run on software?
No, it's all internal. There's actually 13 chips, 13 CPUs within this device to handle that. You can also do cool things, like you see that the faders are responding as a VU meter right now. You can turn that off and just have it be the standard levels of whatever we're at. You can also do cool things with the amount of pressure on each fader, so it's very unique. It's a sort of a new idea, but it translates very well if you're used to real faders. We've only had this thing for about 5 days now, but man, I must say, these feel amazing, and I'm ready to transfer over to this from any analog side. So if you're using it as just a control surface, you do get the ability to go from 1 through 8, 9 through 16, 17 to 24, and then 25 to 32. So you can bank 4 banks of control surface.
So can you use it standalone?
Yes, absolutely. You can load up to 12 presets in the device, and say you're out at a gig and you find the perfect mix, you don't have to worry about remembering those settings. You can actually save it on the device and then later upload it to your library. And your library can house as many presets as you want, but on the device itself, 12 at one time.
So when will it be available?
It's going to be hopefully shipping beginning of April, beginning of Q2 2015.
And what's the price on that?
MSRP $599, likely to hit street $499. So still affordable.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.